Hey everyone, Instagram just upped the game with its latest feature, Gold Notes. If you are ready to add some extra flair to your Instagram experience, I have got you covered. In just a few simple steps, I'll show you how to get these eye-catching gold notes on your account. It's a brand new feature, so let's explore it together and make your notes stand out. Once you have opened up your Instagram account, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Now head over to your note. You must add the word goal to avail the goal option. Write your note. Tap on share. And there you go. You have unlocked gold notes on Instagram. Now you are ready to impress with every note you share. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be covering all the latest Instagram updates. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks.